Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and we're joined today by Lady Teresa Hughes, and we're going to do a double jive version of the train. Knowing a single jive version of a train is going to be useful too. Link in the description below in case you've never met that core intermediate move. But the move looks like this. It goes. And obviously how long you walk and all that kind of stuff you can vary just as you would with the single version. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So let's break it down. Right to right, left to right, so ladies are all in their right hands. We go semicircles and back, comes off of a return, so we return the ladies. The hands come forwards, so the ladies stop rotating. Guys, as you turn to the right, you're going to go underneath both arms. You're going to bring the hand that is in your right down on top of the lady's other hand and put the first finger between the lady's hands. So I'm holding both the lady's hands in my right with a finger between them. Hand comes down on my right shoulder. I shift my weight left, so the ladies go left as well, and then we can lead off onto the walk, and we're going to go right, left, right. We're going to extend the arm out just as we would in a normal train, out to the right, and in the process of doing that we're going to take the bottom hand in our left and the top hand in our right, so we're not crossed up. We're going to take the hands through towards the right, fold them onto the lady's shoulders as they start to do a return effectively. We're going to shift the weight left, and then we're going to do the same thing going back. Right, left, right. We're taking the hands out, bring them down to bring the ladies to face, and then finish off with a return. Let's do the same thing from the other side and talk numbers. So we go back 1, returning 2, onto the shoulder with the finger between, so guys are turning right to go down 3. We walk off 4, 5, 6. We take the hands out and split them 7. Onto the lady's shoulders 8. Walking back 1, 2, 3. Out 4. Face 5. Returning 6. And back 7. So let's try it together. Getting used to putting the finger between them and splitting the hands and things like that. A little bit of practice, it will become natural. But the first few times it will feel a little bit kind of fumbly. Okay, so here we go. 5, 6, the train. We go a back, return, and on the shoulder. It's a walk. 2, 3, out and on the shoulder. It's a walk. 2, 3, out and face, return and back. And whether you take little side to side steps or much bigger forward steps, that's entirely up to you and how you want to lead it. Also, I say it's one of those things you probably make a decision based on what you're listening to while you're dancing. So thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, and we'll see you next time with another Double Jive Clip.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.